how to add a quick list checklist, interactive checklist, to your Thrive pages. Hi there, I'm Victor. And in this video, I want to show you step by step how you can integrate or add a quick list interactive checklist into your Thrive web pages. And so I'm just going to go through the steps. It's not too complicated, but it took a little while for me to get. So I thought that I'd create this video to help you do it. And also, I even created an interactive checklist that you can get for free in the links in the description. If you haven't already from this video, first things first, you want to have a checklist, but you also want to have your quick list integrated with your autoresponder. I mean, a big thing about these checklists is you can build a good email list and everything using them. You're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you have your integrations done. You click in Quick List, you go click Integrations, select your autoresponder, you name this, you select the autoresponder you want to choose, and depending on the autoresponder, you might have different options that come up here. And between your autoresponder and Quick List, you should be able to get that sorted out. Aweber was actually pretty easy. All right, so I already have that. All right, once you do that, go ahead and create your Quick List. Now I could do that. I could create a new one by clicking plus and create a brand new one that's just blank and make my own checklist. Or I can use pre-made checklists that they have from a template. And I've already gone ahead and done that. So once you have your quick list checklist already created and everything, go ahead and you're going to come in here and you're going to click Publish. Now from Publish, select Embed Anywhere. We're going to keep this tab or window open, and then over on your web page, hopefully you have a page set up already, or go ahead and get a page ready or create a new one. I'm going to create a blank page using Thrive Architect. So I'm just going to say completely blank. Now you could have a page already that you want to just insert a checklist into, and that's fine. You can use these same steps for that, because even on that page you're going to go ahead and follow these easy steps. All right, so once you have the page that you want to embed the quick list into, we want to go and click and drag. We want to add an HTML element. Right here, custom HTML. We want to insert that, and now this window comes up. Come back to our quick list and copy this top one, and in here we're just going to paste that in. All right, I just use Control V in my case. And then save. And now let's go back to our quick list, and we want to copy this next block, which is JavaScript, to our clipboard, and then come back to our web page, and we're going to click on Settings, and then Advanced Settings, and then Custom Scripts, and then go to the bottom section here and paste in what you copied from the quick list, and now say Save Work. And that's really it. Kind of crazy, right? And we can preview. And this is the quick list that I created. Things to contemplate before you send an email campaign. Kind of cool. Now, On some of my quick lists, I actually add a disclaimer that you don't see them very well. They don't work properly in incognito mode. So if someone, just a quick tip, if people use your list and they say it's not working, they might be trying to use it in incognito type of a mode for their web browser. Those are the steps. It's not that complicated. It was a little tricky for me at first, and so I was happy to figure it out. I've actually created a checklist to take you through these steps. Anyway, I hope this helps, and happy building an online business and using QuickList.